Hello there, my name is Dominic and today I'm back with another LGTV hotel mode tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to disable the physical buttons on your LG televisions. Now, if you have an LG television manufactured in 2013 going backwards, chances are it has actual physical buttons at the back of the TV. But if you have an LG television manufactured from 2014 until now, chances are it has a joystick at the bottom of the logo over here. Normally, in these televisions with a joystick, you press it once to enter into this sub menu. Then you can actually slide this joystick either up or down or side to side to select these other menus. And with this joystick, you can actually do 65% of what your remote control can do. You can even search for channels. You can change audio setups as well as picture settings. You can do a lot of things with this joystick just by moving it up or down or side to side. But first, what is hotel mode? Hotel mode is a system inbuilt into LG televisions to restrict the improper usage of LG televisions. And I have a whole playlist on LGTV hotel mode so that you can learn other features that you can restrict. To disable the physical buttons on your LG television, then you're going to need a remote control. The shape does not matter. All you need to do is to trace the settings or the menu button. In this case, they do the same thing. So all these remote controls work except this remote control over here. And this is the LG Smart TV Magic Remote Control. I've never been able to enter into the hotel mode by using this remote control. So if you're at home and you are able to use the Magic Remote Control to complete this tutorial, then I'd like to know how you did it. Please comment below. So press and hold the settings or menu button on your remote control until you see a change. Press it for around 5 seconds. When you see a change, press 1105 and OK or enter. And you are going to be presented with the installation menu. Press OK to enter into LG Hotel Mode setup. If it's not enabled, press the right navigation button to enable it. Then scroll down until you get to local key operation over here. So normally it's at normal. If you press the right navigation button, you can change it to use power only, then block all. In power only mode, you are only going to be able to switch on and off the TV. When it comes to block all, then all functions of the physical button are disabled. Now let's try that. You can see I have the key on. Even if I press and hold this button, this TV is not going to switch off. Now if I use power only, then I'll be able to switch off this TV and I'll be able to switch on this TV. That's another LG Hotel mode hack that I did. You can see the video in the playlist. Now, if I try to move the joystick either front, back, or side to side, nothing is happening. The only thing that this button is going to be able to do is to switch off this TV. Now, what we've just done in LG Hotel mode, you can actually do in the normal menu. And if you come to lock over here, enter your password. The default password is 0000. Then you scroll all the way down to key lock over here. When you turn it on, you can achieve exactly the same thing that we've done, and is that you have just locked this key. Even switching off the TV is impossible right now. Now, there are two disadvantages of enabling the key lock on the main menu over here. Number one is that you actually disable the standby feature on the physical button. So with this feature on, you won't be able to switch on or off the TV by using the physical button. And number two, when you forget your password, then you'll be in trouble. But don't worry, I have another video on how to reset LG Digital TV forgotten passwords. I will link that video in the video description below. Now, let's go to the smart TV for the same tutorial. The same exact procedure applies to LG Smart televisions, but one thing though, I've not been able to complete this tutorial by using my Magic Remote Control over here. So if you're able to complete this tutorial successfully by using your Magic Remote Control, the shape does not matter. I need to know your LG TV model number and manufacturer year. Please comment those details down below and how you did it. Press and hold the settings or menu button until you see a change on the screen. You only need to press it once. When you see a change, press 1105 and OK. And if LG Hotel mode is not enabled, then enable it. Scroll down to key management and click enter. If it's not enabled, then enable it by just pressing OK at the button over there. Scroll down to local key operation, and over here you can see we have normal, we have power only, and we have block all. What I explained in the digital TV also applies on the smart TV. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today, and goodbye.